How's it going, everybody? I'm Zach, the news editor of Hot Rod Magazine, and today we're here with our Week to Wicked 58 Apache project build. I'm here with James from CPP to explain all the gorgeous parts sitting on this table right here.
So today we wanted to talk a little bit about our Mustang II IFS kits, and we chose this because we know this truck is not only a show truck, but it's going to be driven a ton, power tour, that sort of thing, so it's going to see a lot of use.
Let's start off with this steering rack, because you guys actually offer in the kit a power steering rack, which is a really key element, especially for a truck that's going to be driven a lot.
Yeah, the kit is packed with different features like that come already in the kit with no extra cost.
So one of the other great things that you guys offer with this is the shocks. Now normally, it's just a shock absorber, that's great. But also you guys offer a more performance-oriented unit over there with the two-way adjustable coil-over. That's a pretty nice one.
Yeah, you can stick with traditional style spring shock, which is great. You have this option too, go to double adjustable, American-made coil-over. So this is you can fine-tune your ride height, you can fine-tune the compression and rebound and really hone in on that ride that you need and want. People got different wheel and tire packages, which offers a different ride. So with this adjustability, you can really make it exactly what you desire. For this particular build that was not only a show truck, but was going to see a lot of miles, is going to really get driven on your power tour and that sort of thing, we want to have those options so you can really maximize the potential.
We've got a mixture of spindles here. We've got a drop and a stock style spindle. We're kind of mixing and matching some of these components on the truck this week. We're going to be going more with a performance-oriented spring setup, but with the stock height spindle to kind of maintain that daily drivable ride height, but still get the performance out of all your components.
But we give you those options in the kit. That's the idea, is give you the options. I'm not going to charge you a bunch of extra money for it, and you can really fine-tune it to your needs. You also got a variety of options as far as bolt pattern. Maybe you need a 6-lug, maybe you need a 5 on 4 3/4, 5 on 4 1/2, depending on what wheels you're running. So you have those options as well.
One of the big features about this kit too that actually a lot of other kits on the market do not come with is you guys actually offer a sway bar with this kit, which is pretty cool.
That's kind of our goal, is to create a whole system that works with each other. It's proven, we know it all fits and it performs well. And this is just another added feature to that kit that no other company is really doing.
All these parts look fantastic. I can't wait to see these things end up getting bolted onto the truck and see how well it's going to perform. If you guys want to see more and more content and progress on our 58 Chevy Apache stable shop truck build, be sure to tune in to hotrod.com for all the details.